When it comes to drones, we're used to hearing about small upgrades, minor tweaks, or slightly better than last year's features. But today's comparison feels different because the two models on the table approach aerial filming in completely different ways. On one side, there's the Antigravity A1, a brand new contender from Insta360's camp, promising an entirely fresh take on how we think about flying cameras. On the other, the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which many people already considered the gold standard for sub-250-gram drones, refined over years of engineering and feedback from drone enthusiasts around the world. Both promise incredible footage, easy handling, and portability that makes them appealing to travelers, vloggers, and professionals alike. But the way they go about achieving those results couldn't be more different. The first thing you notice with the Antigravity A1 is that it doesn't look like any drone you've seen before. Instead of a single camera mounted on a gimbal at the front, it's got two huge lenses, one pointing up, one pointing down, designed to capture the world in full 360 degrees. The entire body is sleek, compact, and cleverly designed so that when in flight, the drone itself doesn't appear in the footage. Even the landing gear is retractable, which not only looks cool, but also ensures there's nothing obstructing those all-important shots. And at just 249 grams, it avoids most registration requirements in many countries, making it as travel-friendly as a drone can get. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, meanwhile, sticks with the familiar, proven design. Foldable arms make it small enough to fit in a small bag or even a large jacket pocket, and its forward-facing gimbal camera signals right away that this is a drone built for more traditional aerial photography. It's also under that 249-gram limit, and DJI's reputation for durability and attention to detail shines through the moment you hold it. While it doesn't have the futuristic dual-lens look of the A1, the Mini 4 Pro's design is purposeful, refined through years of iteration. Once you start talking cameras, though, the two really split into different worlds. The Antigravity A1 is all about capturing everything at once. Its dual-lens system records in 8K 360 degrees at 30 frames per second or 5.7K at 60 frames per second. That means you can fly without worrying about what's in frame, because everything is in frame. Later, in post-production, you can decide exactly where you want to look, punch in for close-ups, or even create multiple shots from the same single flight. It's the kind of freedom that makes you rethink what's possible, especially for creators who often find themselves in unpredictable shooting situations. And thanks to clever image stitching, the drone itself vanishes from the footage, giving you a seamless, immersive view. The Mini 4 Pro, in contrast, focuses on giving you the cleanest, highest quality traditional aerial video possible in a compact package. Its 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures 48 megapixel stills and delivers 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second, or even 100 frames per second for slow-motion shots. With an f-stop 1.7 aperture, it excels in low-light conditions where smaller drones usually struggle. Color grading enthusiasts will appreciate the support for 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles, which give more flexibility in post-production. And then there's true vertical shooting, which allows you to capture full-quality video in a vertical aspect ratio without cropping. A big plus for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts creators. Flying these drones is a totally different experience as well. The Antigravity A1 wants to make you feel like you're part of the flight. Instead of traditional joysticks, it comes with vision goggles and a grip controller that lets you literally point where you want it to go. The free motion mode is particularly fun, allowing you to look in any direction independently of the drone's flight path. For beginners, this makes flying far less intimidating, more like playing a VR game than piloting a delicate piece of tech. Its obstacle avoidance is reliable, though it can be a little overcautious in crowded environments, slowing down to keep you safe. The DJI Mini 4 Pro delivers a more conventional piloting experience, using DJI's RC2 controller with dual joysticks for precision movement. It offers advanced features like OPUS obstacle avoidance, Active Track 360 for following subjects, waypoint flights for pre-programmed routes, and master shots for automated cinematic sequences. DJI's O4 transmission system ensures a stable, high-quality live feed at 1080p up to 20 kilometers away, though most users will never legally fly that far. The difference here is clear. The Mini 4 Pro is about fine control and precision, while the A1 is about immersion and simplicity. When it comes to creative flexibility, the A1 is in a league of its own. Because you're always recording in 360 degrees, you never have to worry about missing the action. You can reframe, zoom, and pan in post-production, even creating multiple angles from a single clip. This fly-first, frame-later approach is perfect for high-energy events, travel vlogs, or any moment where you can't anticipate exactly what's going to happen. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro's creativity comes from DJI's mature library of intelligent shooting modes. Whether you want a smooth hyperlapse, a sweeping panorama, or a perfectly framed automated shot, the tools are built in to help you capture cinematic footage without hours of practice. Safety features are strong on both sides, but again, they reflect each drone's philosophy. The Antigravity A1 has retractable landing gear, obstacle avoidance, payload detection to prevent misuse, and a return-to-home function. It's designed to keep things simple and prevent common mistakes. The Mini 4 Pro offers omnidirectional obstacle sensing with wide-angle vision sensors all around, a downward time-of-flight sensor for precise landings, and DJI's refined advanced pilot assistance system to navigate tight spots. For absolute peace of mind in challenging environments, DJI system feels a touch more mature. Battery life is a more straightforward story. The Mini 4 Pro offers up to 34 minutes with its standard battery and up to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, though the Plus version pushes it over that 249-gram limit in some regions. The Antigravity A1's official numbers aren't fully confirmed yet, but early reports suggest it's competitive with standard mini drone ranges, which means plenty of time for casual shoots, but maybe not enough for long-range, multi-location flights without spares. Price and availability may also influence your decision. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is available right now with the standard package priced around $700 to $800 and Fly More combos offering extra batteries and accessories for a higher cost. The Antigravity A1 is scheduled to launch globally in January 2026 with an estimated price of about $1,300. That's a significant jump, but given the unique tech on offer, it's clear that Insta360 is targeting creators who see value in a completely new way of filming. So who should buy which? The Antigravity A1 is perfect for creators who love flexibility in editing, want to capture absolutely everything in a scene, and are drawn to an intuitive, immersive flying style. If you often film unpredictable action, like festivals, sports, or travel adventures where you never quite know what's going to happen, the A1's ability to reframe later is game-changing. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, is ideal if you care most about getting the highest possible image quality from a sub-250-gram drone, value manual control and precision, and want a proven, reliable platform that integrates seamlessly into professional workflows.